Did you know that after turning 50, your body begins subtly losing the muscle you've spent years building? One day, you might look in the mirror and realize your strength isn't what it used to be, almost like it slipped away unnoticed. It's a disheartening thought, but you're far from alone. Health expert Frank Suarez has pointed out that muscle loss creeps in slowly with age, often without obvious signs at first. But here's the uplifting part: it's not irreversible. Studies from the American Society of Geriatrics and Gerontology reveal that nearly 30% of adults over 60 face muscle deterioration, a condition called sarcopenia, which saps both muscle mass and power. While that's concerning, the real takeaway is this: you can turn it around. And here's something surprising: meaningful change can begin in as little as 7 days. How? By integrating a handful of potent muscle-reviving foods into your diet. These nutrients work like a reset button for your strength, helping you feel revitalized. Picture climbing stairs effortlessly or lifting groceries without strain, all by making smarter food choices, many of which Frank Suarez highlighted in his research. You might even notice a difference within a week. Ready to reclaim your vitality? Stay with me as I share 6 delicious, science-backed foods that combat age-related muscle loss. Because your years should never dictate your vigor. Before we start, tell us in the comments, where did you find this video, and how young do you feel? Your input fuels our passion for creating life-changing health content. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Tart Cherry Juice. Entering your 50s often marks the start of gradual muscle decline, but Tart Cherry Juice might be a game-changer. This ruby red elixir isn't just tasty, it's loaded with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that fight inflammation and muscle wear and tear. Science backs this up. Research in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that cherry juice drinkers recovered muscle strength 24% faster than those who skipped it. Even better, regular consumption may enhance muscle function, making daily tasks like carrying bags or walking feel easier. Cherries contain melatonin, which improves sleep quality. Since deep sleep is critical for muscle repair, sipping cherry juice before bed could mean waking up with less stiffness and more energy. Try a glass 30 minutes before bedtime. It's a simple, natural boost for your muscles and joints. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Creamy, protein-packed Greek yogurt is a muscle-saving superstar. Unlike regular yogurt, it delivers double the protein, 15-20 g per serving, thanks to its straining process. The key player? Casein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily fuels muscles for hours, ideal for preventing muscle loss between meals or overnight. A University of California study found older adults who ate Greek yogurt daily gained 15% more strength in just 8 weeks. Plus, its probiotics support gut health, ensuring you absorb nutrients efficiently, a must as digestion slows with age. Number 3. Starchy vegetables. As we enter our later years, our bodies gradually lose the ability to sustain stable energy levels naturally. This shift can create significant challenges in maintaining muscle performance, endurance, and recovery capabilities. This is where starchy vegetables emerge as an invaluable dietary solution. They're not merely comforting and flavorful, but serve as nutritional champions for preserving strength and vitality in individuals over 50. Vegetables such as sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and standard potatoes are abundant in complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and numerous essential vitamins and minerals. This powerful nutritional combination provides a gradual, consistent energy supply, effectively preventing those sudden energy slumps that leave you feeling exhausted and weak. For aging muscle tissue, this sustained energy delivery is particularly vital as it requires constant fueling to operate optimally throughout daily activities. Research from Harvard Medical School indicates that regular consumers of starchy vegetables typically experience slower muscle deterioration with advancing age. These vegetables contribute significantly by helping regulate metabolic processes, facilitating muscle recovery, and promoting cellular repair and growth, all while maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. As our natural energy reserves and recovery mechanisms become less efficient over time, incorporating these vegetables into your regular meals grows increasingly important. The benefits extend far beyond muscular support. These nutrient-dense vegetables also enhance cardiovascular health, improve digestive function, and boost overall wellness. They're packed with beneficial compounds including potassium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene that work synergistically to reduce inflammatory responses and optimize cellular performance. For an easy and delicious preparation method, try roasting sweet potato wedges lightly coated with olive oil and seasoned with sea salt. This cooking technique not only enhances flavor but also maximizes nutrient bioavailability. It serves as an effortless side dish that complements nearly any main course. For those seeking to maximize muscle preservation through diet, consider replacing refined carbohydrates like white rice, bread, or pasta with these nutrient-rich vegetable alternatives. Many people report noticeable improvements in both energy levels and muscular strength within days of making this simple dietary adjustment. These are far from mere filler foods. They represent a strategic dietary approach to combating age-related muscle loss. If you're searching for a natural, satisfying way to energize your body and maintain your strength, starchy vegetables unquestionably deserve a permanent position in your meal planning. Number 4. Scallops. Scallops offer far more than just exquisite seafood flavor. They stand as a nutritional powerhouse specifically beneficial for muscle nourishment as we grow older. The challenge of preserving muscle strength, mobility, and overall physical function becomes increasingly significant with age, and this is where scallops demonstrate their exceptional value. These delicate shellfish are loaded with premium quality protein and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, a potent combination that directly supports the body's muscle recovery systems, tissue repair mechanisms, and inflammation control processes. Each serving delivers essential nutrients that help regenerate muscle fibers and minimize post-activity stiffness, making them particularly valuable for mature adults striving to maintain an active, robust lifestyle. What makes scallops particularly effective is their exceptional nutrient bioavailability. The lean protein found in scallops is rapidly absorbed and utilized by the body, accelerating healing processes and helping offset the accelerated muscle breakdown that commonly accompanies aging. Simultaneously, the omega-3 fatty acids actively work to reduce inflammation and protect muscle tissue integrity. A study conducted by Spain's Institute of Nutrition revealed that older adults who consistently included omega-3 rich foods like scallops in their dietary regimen maintained up to 12% more muscle mass compared to those who didn't, a substantial difference that can positively influence everything from basic posture to walking capability. This preservation of muscle mass carries profound importance as age-related muscle loss, known medically as sarcopenia, significantly impacts both physical strength and personal independence. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in preventing this decline by maintaining joint flexibility, preserving muscle tone, and supporting cardiovascular health, all critical factors for sustaining an active lifestyle in later years. Incorporating scallops into your diet just once or twice weekly can substantially reinforce your body's defenses against these age-related challenges. For optimal preparation, try quickly pan-searing scallops in a small amount of olive oil with minced garlic and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This cooking method not only enhances the natural sweetness of the scallops, but also improves the absorption of heart-healthy omega-3s. Serve them alongside leafy greens or roasted vegetables for a complete, rejuvenating meal. Scallops represent an intelligent, satisfying choice for anyone committed to maintaining strength, flexibility, and energy as they age. Their demonstrated benefits for muscle maintenance, recovery acceleration, and long-term mobility make them a top-tier food selection for health-conscious individuals over 50. Number 5. Buckwheat. It may come as a surprise that an unassuming grain like buckwheat plays such a significant role in preserving muscular strength during the aging process. While not typically the first food that springs to mind when considering muscle health, buckwheat actually serves as a nutritional dynamo that effectively supports bodily functions well beyond middle age. One of buckwheat's most remarkable qualities is its provision of complete proteins, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for effectively rebuilding and strengthening muscle tissue. Unlike most plant-based protein sources that lack certain amino acids, buckwheat provides comprehensive nutritional support for muscle maintenance, making it an outstanding choice for preserving muscular health in later years. Additionally, buckwheat serves as an exceptional energy source. Unlike refined carbohydrates that frequently cause energy spikes followed by crashes, buckwheat delivers a steady, prolonged energy release that helps maintain consistent activity levels throughout the day without undesirable blood sugar fluctuations. This sustained energy provision proves especially valuable for older adults, as maintaining endurance naturally becomes more challenging with advancing age. Buckwheat's benefits extend further through its rich mineral content, particularly magnesium and zinc, which are vital for proper muscle recovery and function. Magnesium plays a well-documented role in muscle relaxation and repair processes, while zinc contributes to immune system support and muscle growth promotion. Together, these minerals significantly enhance the body's ability to recover from physical exertion and maintain optimal muscle performance. Incorporating buckwheat into your diet can be particularly advantageous for blood sugar regulation, a critical factor in maintaining consistent energy levels and muscle function as you age. Stable blood sugar levels are essential for sustaining physical activity, as fluctuations often lead to fatigue and diminished performance during exercise or daily tasks. A Harvard Medical School study demonstrated that older adults who regularly consumed buckwheat experienced up to an 18% increase in muscle strength over just 3 months, a remarkable improvement considering the natural difficulty of maintaining muscle mass and strength during aging. Beyond its muscular benefits, buckwheat offers additional advantages including inflammation reduction and protection against age-related physical deterioration, common consequences of the body's natural aging processes. By making buckwheat a regular part of your meals, you're providing comprehensive support for overall health and well-being as you age, equipping your body with the resources it needs to remain strong and resilient long-term. Number 6. Whey protein. When it comes to efficiently maintaining and enhancing muscle strength with minimal effort, whey protein emerges as one of the most convenient and effective options available. This superior protein source is renowned for its rapid absorption and complete profile of essential amino acids, the fundamental building blocks your body requires to reconstruct muscle tissue, increase strength, and speed recovery following any form of physical exertion. Whether you're engaging in weight training, walking for exercise, or simply working to maintain daily functional abilities, whey protein can significantly improve your muscles' recovery rate and effectiveness. This makes it an ideal nutritional supplement for older adults seeking to safeguard their muscle mass and prevent the typical muscular decline associated with aging, all without requiring complete overhauls of their fitness or eating routines. What distinguishes whey protein from other protein sources is its multifaceted health benefits. Scientific research has demonstrated that whey protein can aid in healthy fat reduction, improve cardiovascular health, and even strengthen immune system function, making it an exceptionally versatile dietary addition. The advantages extend beyond muscular improvements. Whey protein can significantly enhance overall well-being as you age. Multiple clinical studies have confirmed that regular whey protein supplementation helps older adults maintain muscle size and prevents the muscle loss that typically occurs over time. By supplying the body with premium quality protein, whey protein effectively slows certain aging processes, particularly those related to muscle preservation. The greatest advantage of whey protein lies in its simplicity. You don't need expensive supplements or rigorous exercise regimens to begin experiencing benefits. Even without weight training or intensive workouts, simply incorporating whey protein into your daily routine, through morning shakes or midday snacks, can produce noticeable improvements in energy levels and physical strength. It's an uncomplicated yet powerful method to provide your body with essential nutrients without demanding complicated preparation or significant lifestyle changes. For optimal results, combine whey protein supplementation with a balanced diet and consistent physical activity. Over time, you'll likely observe enhancements in energy, mobility, and muscle tone. This sustainable approach can help you maintain strength and activity levels well into your later years. Getting started is remarkably simple. Just mix a scoop of whey protein into your breakfast or smoothie and observe the positive transformation in your daily energy and capability. Age is just a number, but your strength doesn't have to fade with it. By adding these 6 powerful foods to your diet, you're not just nourishing your muscles, you're reclaiming your energy, mobility, and independence. Start today, and feel the difference in your strength and vitality sooner than you think. If this advice helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed ways to stay strong at any age. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your journey. Here's to a stronger, healthier you.